Yeah, these are perfect. And they're the kind, like these ones that kind of look like prophylactics. Seriously, I don't want to get demonetized, guys. But yeah, clear balloons, they always crack me up because they look like something. We've got Amazon mystery boxes! Frugal friends, hello, welcome back. My name is Julie. Welcome to the Frugal Family. We have Amazon mystery boxes. Our amazing, wonderful, beautiful, fabulous friend, Carrie Carter, has once again shared the leftovers of her Amazon mystery boxes with us. She is so generous, so kind. I am so grateful because it snowed this week. So we get to stay inside with all the festive happiness and warmth, yay for central heating, and open up some mystery boxes. I haven't peeked at all. I was so gonna do that with a straight face. I was gonna hold it, I was gonna do it, and then I'm like, can't do it. But here's the thing. Her and her family have already gone through the boxes, so of course they weren't taped anymore. And when I was getting them out of the van after I picked them up, one of the flaps was just up too high, and I saw. And what am I supposed to do? Let's do it. Okay, here we go. What the hell? Okay, this is called Tight and Beautiful. The hip muscles are fully activated, the hips are accurate, and the effect is doubled. And she's literally, am I gonna get demonetized for showing this? She's squeezing something between her bum cheeks. That, yeah, we're gonna have to make a video of trying that out on the Grown Up channel. Frugal Mama's Time Out. Okay. Oh, I thought it was a mister when I was peeking. It's a kid's sprinkler. Save that for in the spring and summer. And it's a frog. And it's got all these wavy arm things. And then water everywhere. That looks like so much fun. Oops. Don't worry. It's fine. This is baby hand and footprint. So it's got a cord for some reason. Oh, it's a light up. I see. So you've got paint and tape and markers and the frame thing. And I guess you put like what, their footprints and I don't know. And then this thing lights it up. But you wouldn't have to use it for baby handprints and footprints because my kids are way past that. Yay. You could just paint anything on this and have it light up. So I'm gonna save that for Olivia because she loves painting on glass. That's like her thing. She loves it. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh, I hope they'll fit the kids. They'll at least fit Mariah. But these are pads. Like, I think these are knee pads. And these are probably elbow pads or teeny tiny knee pads, but probably elbow pads. Yeah, that's fantastic. These are party decorations. So some balloons. These are perfect for New Year's. Yeah, these are perfect. And they're the kind, like these ones that kind of look like prophylactics. Seriously, I don't want to get demonetized, guys. But yeah, clear balloons, they always crack me up because they look like something. But these are the ones that have like confetti and stuff inside the balloons. This is an unpillow jumbo pillowcase. Why is it an unpillow? Like your unbirthday? Anyway, it's a pillowcase. We're gonna try that out. I'm actually really excited for that one. This is oh! For a minute I thought it was like a mask. No, well, and then I read what it said and I'm like, iced Dunkin' Donuts? No, this is for putting your coffee. Lucky order. Lucky order. Yeah. That's for putting your coffee in. Like your travel mug. Just in case the travel mug isn't doing enough on its own to keep your stuff warm. Or if the barista forgot to put a little thingy, wrappy thing around your coffee cup. That's cute. I like that. This. Oh, okay. I just barely saw just a little bit of the picture, and I'm like, what is that? But it's a traction. It's a head hammock for neck cervical traction. I am excited about this one. I think there was one of these in the last mystery boxes that Carrie gave us. It's like a belt massage thing that you use in the shower, and it like cleans you but massages you at the same time. Oh, this goes on the wall to hang stuff. Yeah. Okay. I thought that it was going to be one of those random pieces that go to some electronic or, just really random pieces that I would have absolutely no use for. But no, it's wall hooks. Always have a use for those. Popsicle molds. Ooh. Oh. And it even comes with all the little sticks. Different assorted kinds. The kids are going to pretend these are swords, right? Right? And they are not Disney branded, but okay, that's the lid. There's another lid, but look at these. There's those. Okay. Look, it's got ears. No, it's not Disney, because actually on the other side there's like a odd little face, but you know, I'm going Disney with that. Yeah, those are fantastic. We are going to use those. Oh, and there's even little baggies, so you can store them individually. Are these actual mirrors? They are. A bunch of, so you're probably going to see like the backside of the camera, but a bunch of little hexagon mirrors with plastic covering over them to protect them. Great crafting thing right there. This has a surfer on the outside, and it's something for a sander, 60 grit 100 pack. I'm guessing they would have to go to like a specific type of sander. I'll ask my husband if these will work for whatever sander he has, because that would be really cool. Sandpaper. I don't know what you would do with them otherwise. What is this? Oh God, it's a waist trainer sport girdle belt, but that's what it's meant for. But could you use it as back support? For instance, like for a dumpster diver that hurt her back? We'll try that out too. Oh, this is great. This is a high quality cooling neck gaiter. I'm going to see if my husband wants that one. I mean, obviously we don't need it right now. It's winter, and winter did finally show up here in the great state of Utah. But this would be great for like our Disney trips, but also for my husband at work. Oh, interesting. So it's a brace, SI joint belt, whatever. I'll show you the picture. Well, like there's some of it, but then there's the chick wearing it. Some other kind of back support. This is a banner. What kind of banner? Don't you think it should say on the outside what kind of banner it is? Come on, Amazon. Why doesn't it say? Oh, it's happy birthday. What? What am I supposed to do with this? Oh my God, it's, Mama's not gonna need this for a long time. Happy 76th birthday. You know, it's a mystery box. You never know. This is something. Oh, it's a Kai Chaboo's exclamation mark for quail egg. And it's super cute. There's like a little chickie on there. I don't know what you do with it. It's got little star things and please tell me, but it's for quail eggs. This says Silver Apple, large facial cleansers, and nail polish. Who in their right mind is going to use the same thing that they use to take their nail polish off on their face? Am I out of the loop on some like beauty trend? That's likely. That's what it says. 100 pieces large facial cla and nail polish. Ooh, these are fun. The things I get excited about. Bottle for gardening and cleaning. Yeah, they're plant misters. That's fantastic. I am 100% keeping the plant misters. I often will use the spray bottle that's for our hair. Another banner. Holiday burlap drink up beaches. So it's like got palm trees and it's for a drinking party, summer party. Oh, these are fantastic. I'm going to take these out. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Especially for dumpster diving in the snow and ice. These are Dayan brand gloves with little grippy things. That's fantastic. We'll be keeping those. Oh. These aren't padded. I think these are, shoot, I don't know. They look like they go on your hands, maybe, but there's like a bar to hold them. Let me see if there's like a package of what they were. I don't know. Ideas? Is it for your foot? If so, you've got to have a really skinny foot and ankle. If anyone knows, please tell me. It's a B. It's a letter B, but with like pretty intense wall bracket support things. Oh, it's a 6. So if you want to put a 6 on your wall. Or a B. This is a flag banner for the U.S. Army. These are, guys, you don't know. You never know. But these are pee cups for testing your pee. Other creative uses, guys, for little plastic pee cups. They even have a little tab, you know, for sanitary purposes for you to hold on to. Oh, these are wonderful. Oh, these are wonderful. These are 3D butterfly decorations. So they've got the adhesive. You put that on the back and then fold the wings and stick them to the wall. And you've got a bunch of butterflies flying up your wall. That's fantastic. We've got a happy 15th birthday sparkly pick. Olivia's already 15, so we'll have to save this. Reagan, I don't think would care for these colors. Mariah is 9. It might hold on that long, or we'll see if someone else has it. That's the problem with these ones that are like age specific, like 76th or 15th birthday. But we'll see. Then, I wonder if we could break off the 15. Actually, we could. We totally could. It'll be a little lopsided, but we could break off the 15. Then there are... I thought these were binkies. They're not binkies. They are air tag collars. Doesn't that look like a binky? So what is that? Does it go on your, like your wrist? They look like a watch strap would go through them. Please tell me. I'm not up on like modern technology and any of that. I'm not. So help me out, eh? This is a prop of some kind. Oh, fun. Oh, this is fun. It's one of those little chalkboards. If you want to do like your Instagram pictures of your kids starting school. First day of whatever. I am such and such years old. Today's date. I want to be blank when I grow up. My favorite book, song, and food. That is adorable. Okay, I think that is everything. Oh, nope. There's one more. This is Yi Ju alphabet something. Banner of some kind. Or flag. Or pillowcase. Oh, it's a beautiful pillowcase with the letter V. That is really pretty. I don't have anyone with the letter V. Well, Olivia, but that's not what her name starts with. So we'll probably share that with somebody else. Like that. All right, I am going to move some of this out of the way, and then let's open the second box.